How to put a picture behind text in Microsoft Word. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can put a picture behind text in Microsoft Word. Now I'll be doing it here on Microsoft Word web page here. You can do it on your app or the web page as well because the process is similar. So what you want to do is here you can see I've opened up a page with text here. Now once you open it up and you can type in your text and you set it up, what you want to do is here at the left hand side of the screen you'll find the option insert. Simply click on insert and you'll get the option picture here. You can see picture option. Simply click on picture and you'll get various options. You can insert picture from your device if you have downloaded it on your device. You can insert it from your OneDrive. You can add from stock images, or you can search images on the web. Now I'll just insert it from this device. I've downloaded it here. Now you can see. Then head into the folder where your picture is located and then simply click on the picture and open it up. Now once you open up, you can see it's uploading and your picture will load up here. This might take a few moments here to load up. Now once it loads up, you can see it's loaded up, but it's not with the text. Now it's not behind the text. So what you want to do next is click on the picture, left click on the mouse on the picture, and then you can see the wrap text option here where the mouse cursor is. Simply click on wrap text option and here you'll find the option behind text. Click on behind text, and what this does is this will take your picture behind the text. Now what you want to do is you can increase width and here, and you can increase height as well. Manage the or set up the image proportion here from the options here. So this way you can add or put a picture behind text in Word. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.